Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare a lovely brain-boosting recipe, mackerel, chickpeas, asparagus, baby puree. This recipe is suggested for babies starting from 9 months of age. Today I use mackerel fish. It's a big Atlantic fish because I consider it a substitute for salmon. So both salmon, mackerel and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. They are a natural fuel for your baby's brain. Also, I pair the mackerel with asparagus. They're seasonal, they are greens, and I love to add greens in my recipes. And I added even more nutrients using chickpeas. Chickpeas are loaded with fiber and protein. Also, they are very rich in zinc, manganese, folate, and iron. Not bad at all. Still, chickpeas are recommended starting from 9 months of age. Nothing before, because at 6 months of age, your baby's digestive system is not ready to digest chickpeas, because the side effect of chickpeas is that they might cause gas or even tummy ache. But there are a few tricks that you can use in order to reduce the side effect of gas and tummy ache. The first and main trick is to use dried chickpeas instead of the canned ones, because the dried one can be cooked in a way that will reduce the gas. How to do it? The night before you're going to prepare your baby food, simply soak your chickpeas in cold water and let them rest overnight. In the morning, rinse them once or twice and soak them again for another hour, hour and a half. Then cook them following the directions, and usually they take around 1 hour in order to cook. During the cooking time, when they are boiling, you will see that the kind of white foam will form on top. With a spoon, remove that foam, and that will further reduce the gas side effect. With all these tricks, your baby should be totally fine and enjoy the creaminess and the flavor of chickpeas. But let's start together this recipe. So we already prepared and boiled our chickpeas. At the same time, I chopped my fresh asparagus in small pieces and I steamed them for 5 minutes. You can now use a food processor or a tall container and an immersion blender and create your baby puree, adding together all the 3 ingredients. That is the asparagus, the mackerel, and the chickpeas. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt to add some healthy bacteria to the recipe. The consistency is totally up to you and your baby's taste. You can leave the puree thick like this one, or you can add a thinning liquid. Baby formula, breast milk, the steaming water from the asparagus, or simply warm water in order to get the desired consistency. This is a lovely baby recipe, brain boosting one, perfect starting from 9 months of age. I really hope your baby is going to enjoy this recipe. Please leave me comments in the area here below, where you will also find useful links to similar recipes. And remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa, it's totally free. Every week I'm going to post a new recipe for you. Ciao ciao!